North Trail Ultralight is getting a lot of buzz throughout North America with our dealer network. It's not just because it looks good, it has everything to do with them listening to the customer and delivering more value. Let's take a look at this all new 24 BHS. You are looking at 67.5 cubic feet of pass-through storage with lighting. Very, very nice. This top bunk is rated to 200 pounds. Both bunks have their own large window, a lot of natural light. They both open so you get some cross breeze. You don't have to rely on the AC. And it is adjacent to a large bathroom. Let's talk about this kitchen. You got this nice multifunctional cover and cutting board that goes over the farmhouse style sink. Pressed countertop with this soft edge here so nobody's gonna hurt themselves running into it. You've got a 10.7 cubic foot oversized 12-volt reefer. If you are gonna be boondocking, check with your authorized dealer on other options with this floor plan. 3-burner stove with a glass top, ideal for elongating this use of space. When we talk about counter space and you are in the market looking, always remember, folks, the cabinet height matters. The fact that these are mounted very, very high, you can utilize the entire counter. That's not always the case with some travel trailers. You're gonna find that these are lowered and you can't even see what you're doing. You don't have to rely on your AC. There's a lot of windows in this coach, both in the slide. You've got a large window here right behind the sink. They open, so you're gonna get some nice cross breeze. So let Mother Nature work hard for you and your family. You've got a nice spot here if you have a little corner trash can. You've got storage that continues down to the floor. Speaking of the floor, traffic, dirt, it's a real pain if you have carpet. No carpet in this coach. The only fabric you do have is on the slide. It is a marine grade woven fabric. So it's gonna mitigate against odor, dirt, repel water, very durable, and a very, very nice choice on the slide. So speaking of the slide, this is where your U-shaped dinette is. Very large to accommodate, 4 to 5 people. As I had mentioned, you got the bunkhouse, so if you got 2 people there, this will collapse down to another arrangement for sleeping. So you're looking all in 6, should be able to sleep comfortably in this floor plan. Above the table, you've got storage going the entire length of your slide with large windows that open for that cross breeze to come through. Another feature from North Trail, they pick the comfort, you pick the style. In case you're messy like me and you have pasta and you spill on this side, don't tell mama, just flip it over and go to the white color. But it is nice that they give you 2 different color options to just give you additional flexibility. So the 24 BHS goes with this center line entertainment center with the integrated fireplace. Why I like this for a bunkhouse, if you don't have this centered in the coach, if you're watching a movie in the evenings and your guests want to lay down, they're not able to see the TV because a lot of times it's going to be mounted over by the entry door. This will hold up to a 55-inch TV, so it does come with pass-through HDMI, USB, as well as Bluetooth. Getting to those wires on the back of a mounted TV in an RV, it's a chore. So by having this pass-through, all you have to do is plug in the PlayStation, for example, and take the HDMI cord, and instead of fishing it behind this 55-inch TV, you're simply going to run it here through the radio auxiliary. Also, you do have a pocket area of secret storage. Ideal for phones, maybe a wallet. You can put it all right here. So this is a nice integration for 2021 as well. 2 pocket doors will give you privacy here in the master suite area. You have storage on the entire perimeter of this 72 by 80 king size bed. Nightstands on both sides that can hold your CPAP, your cell phones. It runs all the way back, I'd say about 4.5 feet plus on both sides. The closet space is nice. It could hold a shirt of mine, 2XL, 3XL. They are nice, they are a deep cavity. Underneath this king size bed, this will lift up. You've got storage underneath the mattress, as well as a nook that they've created. Nice job adding more storage. I think this is ideal for a family coach or maybe a couple coach that want to utilize the bunkhouse as just a giant closet or additional storage. If you have more questions, do your research at heartlandrvs.com.